Happy Thursday, second graders. We're doing Module 7, Lesson 7 today. We're going over more word problems with coins. And you're going to be doing an assessments assignment today. And these questions I kind of pulled through there, but the numbers obviously changed them up. So we're looking at our reference sheet as usual, right? A penny's worth 1 cent, a nickel's worth 5 cents, dime's worth 10 cents, quarter's worth 25 cents. Let's jump into a couple problems. We're going to do 3. Question 1. Christian has 2 pennies and 4 dimes in one pocket and 4 nickels and 1 quarter in the other pocket. How much money does he have in all? So before I even start, I'm thinking of a person with 2 pockets on like either side, maybe of his jacket or jeans or something. So I'm going to draw like a little pocket and then like another little pocket, right? These don't have to be perfect. And I know we have to have 2 pennies, 4 dimes, and then 4 nickels and 1 quarter, right? The question is asking me how much money does he have in all, which in all is that really good math word that's telling us what to do. We're boxing. So let's evaluate. We kind of started already thinking about that. Christian has blank in all. I started my answer sentence already. So let's put some coins in pockets, right? 2 pennies, 1, 2, and 4 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put them a little nicer in here. And then in the other pocket, we got the 4 nickels and 1 quarter. Here we are. So in all tells us we need to add them up, right? So adding these up, we have to find what's in the first pocket and in the second pocket. In the first pocket, I see, let me use a different color. Let's use nice red. I see 10, 10, 10, 10, 4 tens, it's 40, 41, 42. So we're adding 42, plus we're adding 25 is our quarter, and nickel is 5. Another 5, another 5, another 5. So 25, counting by 5s, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. That's 45. We're adding those up together. You could add it with all the coins together, or you can add 42 plus 45. If you can do that, you can do that in your head. 2 plus 5, 7. And then 4 tens and 4 tens, 8, so 87. But if not, you can, of course, do it the vertical way. I'm just going to get rid of this plus. Right? 2 plus 5 is 7. 4 plus 4 is 8. You do that. Or when you're adding up all the coins together, you can just add them as if they were in one pocket, right? Like he kind of like he took them out of his pockets and put them in one space. So I would go like maybe start with 45 and then 55, 65, 75, 85, 86, 87. Brings you to the same place, right? So we evaluated, we have our answer. We just have to write our answer sentence, which we kind of already did, right? Christian has 87 cents in all. Done. Let's look at our next one. Oh, and of course, check it out if you want. Our next one, Kimura has 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. She gave 68 cents to her friend. How much money does Kimura have left? So we're getting 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. First, this is a 2-step problem. First, we have to find out how much she has, and then we have to take away the 68 to see how much she has left. So step 1, let's add it all together. I see quarter, 25, quarter, 25, and then dime 10, dime 10, dime 10, dime 10, nickel 5, penny, penny. So 25 and 25 is 50. 50 plus 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97. So she has 97. But is that the answer? No, right? The question is not asking how much does she have. The question is asking how much money does Kimora have left, right? She has her dimes, nickels, pennies, 68 have left. That's the really important one, okay? So we're not going to stop there at 97. Now we're going to take away that 68. Remember that 68 from before here? Let's take that away. So 97 minus 68. We're subtracting. What kind of problem is this? We're going to need to regroup. It's a red problem because if you have 7, can you take away 8? No, that's too many. So we have to regroup. This becomes an 8 instead of 9. This becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. And then 8 tens minus 6 tens is 2 tens. So our answer is 29. How much money does she have left? Kimora has 29 cents left. So this part was step 1, and this part was step 2, okay? So we evaluated and we solved. Last problem. Mason had 42 cents. He gave 3 dimes and 1 penny to his brother. How much money does Mason have left? So in this case, I kind of was thinking that I wanted to give 42 cents. And there's a couple different ways I wanted to make it, but I know he's going to give away dimes. So I started to get some dimes. So I'm just going to put those 42 cents in there. You picture him having 42 cents, 4 dimes and 2 pennies, right? So let's get to circling there. 42 cents, but he gave 3 dimes and 1 penny. I've circled. How much money does Mason have left? In this case, again, they're not asking how much he has, because then it would be the answer already. Mason has 42 cents. It says it right there. Not asking that. He's asking how much he has left, if he gave some away to his friend. And right there, gave is that really important math word, because when you give something away, you have less, and that other person has more. So he's giving away 3 dimes. Maybe I'll make, this is Mason. Remember, you can make simple math pictures to help you. Nothing worthy of any awards, right? Just stick figures. So I'm giving 3 dimes. Here's the brother. Oh, you know what? Let me say this is Mason and then brother, B for brother. He gives 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, and 1 penny. Here you go. So how much does Mason have left? I can see Mason has 1 dime and 1 penny left, which would end him up with 11 cents, right? You could also do this. Another way you could have done this, if you didn't want to do the pictures, you could have known 3 dimes and 1 penny. 3 dimes is 3 tens and 1 penny is 31, right? You could have done this. 42 minus 31. That would also give you 11, right? So if you want to do vertical, you could have done that, or with pictures is awesome too. So we evaluated and we solved. So your work today is to do your assessments. It's only 6 questions again. This time you don't have to do the like $sign and then 0 point. You can just do the regular one, it'll be fine. And to go on reflex, okay? Again, because you only have 6 questions, that gives you a little bit more time to do reflex. And reach out to your teacher if you need help. We will not be having any assignments posted for tomorrow. So you're gonna have a nice long weekend. You have Friday off. The teachers will be working on our own stuff, but you guys don't have to do any work. So take it as a break or catch up with your assignments. It would be a great time to do that. but we will see you on Monday. Bye.